There's a man at our neighbor's front door right now, and we're on the phone with our neighbor, and he's not supposed to be here.
Okay, so what's the address?
The address is... I'm off-duty LAPD with a rifle stuck in my house, not going outside. But he's at her screen right now, trying to get in.
And the male is at the front window, or?
The front window, it's on the south side of the house.
Can you see what color clothing he's wearing?
It was a black hoodie for sure. I can't see his pants. Can you see his pants? Yeah, black hoodie, male. He's kind of out of our view because we're on the second story looking down.
Let me know if you can see anything else.
Yeah, we have her on the phone with us. She's looking on her ring, and she can't see him on the patio anymore, which means I think he might be in the house.
She has no idea who this person is?
No, and she lives there by herself, so she said that no one is supposed to be in there.
A homeowner's Ring doorbell camera picked up images of the burglar looking around the home, and then a few moments later, removing a front window screen and taking the screen out of view. The burglar then returned to the residence and entered the home through the window. Police officers arrived a few minutes later and found the screen removed.
Oh, yeah?
As they approached the open window, they called out.
Fontana Police!
And a few moments later, saw the burglar appear inside.
It sounds like someone's in here.
Hey, don't move! The burglar ran out the back door and into the neighborhood.
All right, suspect is running. Hey, he's running towards you guys. BMA, tall, all black. He's running eastbound in the complex.
The officers broadcast a description of the burglar and pursued him as he ran across the street toward an area under construction.
Yeah, right here. Keep going. Right there. Go. Stop. Hey!
The suspect scaled 3 walls and ran through backyards. Additional officers responded to help in the search and set up a perimeter.
I saw him on that side.
Officer Johnny Tuatavaki was searching the area when he located the suspect inside a portable restroom on the southwest corner of Justin Street and Heinz Way, about 1,000 feet from the burglarized home. That is when the shooting occurred.
Into this neighborhood on the south side. How many houses east from the corner of Cypress do you think is that? Hit and Justin.
Hey!
Here is a screenshot from the officer's body-worn camera taken moments after he had opened the door. This screenshot was taken moments later. The man had raised his left hand. His right hand remained out of view. This one was taken moments later. You can see a metallic object in the man's right hand as he rolled it forward towards the officer.
Hey, bro. Breathe for me, man. I got you.
After the shooting, the officer immediately began administering life-saving measures. He was joined later by several other officers. Sadly, the man succumbed to his injuries and passed away.